So guys, this video is like a haul come a comparison video. So this video I am using a different kind of concept. Like usually you see a lot of haul videos going on, so I was requested to do a jeans haul video, and that's why I brought this for you guys, but it's with a twist.
What a twist!
Okay guys, so let me quickly tell you about the Mera link. This link is down in my description box. As you'll open this link, you will see this kind of an interface where you can find all the beauty products, beauty appliances and everything lined up like this. Not only that, you can actually search for any kind of product you want. For example, I have searched for these puff sleeve tops over here, and you can see such a good collection at such affordable prices. They look so pretty and I've purchased a lot from here. And not only that, you can search for literally anything like home decor, home appliances, kitchen appliances and also skincare, so go and get your hands on them.
We are going to look at different brands today, that is H&M, Urbanic Official, then Off Duty if you've not heard about that, which is an Instagram store, and then we are going to do Myntra, so that we can compare them in terms of the affordability, in terms of the material and in terms of the style. That I'm going to show you is the one from Off Duty. So Off Duty is actually an Instagram store, and also it has its own website. It does not have any ads. Like it basically produces jeans, and I have shopped a lot of pairs from them, but I'm going to show you one jeans from there, which is kind of my very favorite jeans. So this is the jeans. This is completely baby blue in color. It is actually a flared kind of a jeans, so it is like tight fitting on the top, and then it comes down to a flare just like this. This is how the flare looks like. It is not like really wide, but it's a little bit wider than the waist. I am completely loving the material. Is very stretchy. This is a high-waisted jeans. The size that I got it in is actually 30, but my actual size is 28, and I got this one on sale for just rupees 999. Otherwise the original price is something around 1300 or something like that. I love when I wear this, and the way it hugs your body, the way it hugs the waistline, it's amazing, like literally amazing. The high waist ends over here just around your navel, and it clenches onto your waist beautifully, so it gives a very good shape. So if you are like an hourglass shape or something like that, you would love wearing this because it's going to flatter the whole curve of your body very nicely, and also the color is amazing. So in terms of affordability, I got this on sale for just $9.99, which is a very good price for a jeans and color and stretch like this. So affordability is 10 on 10. In terms of material, I would give a 8 out of 10. Like not exactly the thread, but you can see like this thing is coming out like after a lot of use. And then in terms of the style, it's apt, like amazing. The way the high waist clenches, I told you. So for that, I will definitely give it 10 out of 10. So the next jeans that I'm going to show you is from H&M, and it's a very staple skinny jeans. It is a mid-rise jeans and not a high-waisted jeans, and the color is like a medium blue, and my waist size for H&M is actually 27 and not 28. It is a skinny ankle length regular waist jeans. This is the jeans which is completely skinny and ankle length, and then you have these fake pockets over here which don't work. So in terms of material, I will tell you that it's not very stretchy. As you can see, it's hardly stretching, so it's not stretchable material, but it's a comfortable material. I got this jeans for just rupees 799. Maybe because of the price, maybe because it was available at 799 only, that is why it is not that stretchable. But I have other jeans from H&M which are like 2000 bucks and like that, so they are pretty stretchable. So if you're buying from H&M, then do check for the stretchability. I genuinely feel that jeans is all about the right fit. If you get the right fit for yourself, if you get the right cut for yourself, then anybody can look very flattering in the right type of jeans that suits their body type. This definitely looks amazing on me, and the color and everything is amazing. You get a lot of color options as well. So in terms of affordability, I would definitely give it a 10 out of 10. Like 799 for H&M is brilliant. And then in terms of the quality and material, again I will give it a 10 out of 10. The quality and material is still very nice, and I've been using it for a long time. In terms of the style, obviously it's like a basic style, so I'll give it like 9 out of 10. acid gray jeans, which is like super stylish. Also, it comes with this very nice hemline, which I am in awe of. You have a variant of black color in this also, so you can go for that as well. So this is a perfect skinny jeans, and it has a lot of stretchability. It comes with these two pockets over here, and then these two pockets over. I seriously love this jeans in terms of the style and trend. It is very good. The comfort is also very good. I can sit with this jeans for days and days, and it feels very nice. Of the price for this jeans on the screen, I don't really remember, so I got it for this much. And just because the material is actually very good, and this kind of acid gray wash is very difficult to find, I think like this amount for this price is perfectly fine. In terms of stretchability and material also, it's 10 on 10. And then the next one that I'm going to show you is again from Urbanic Official. This is a white jeans. This is kind of a mom jeans which has a side slit. This tone distressed effect over here on side on the thighs, and this part actually comes on the thigh. So this one is just on the left side, and the right side is just like that. It comes with two pockets over here, and then you have pockets over here as well. And then I got this in the size medium. The previous one also I got in the size medium, and the size is completely nice, perfect. Just the length of this jeans is not apt for me. My height is almost 5'4" to 5'5", and that is why this jeans comes like very ankle length or slightly above the ankle length. But that's not how the model looks like in the picture. Quality is also pretty good. It's not stretchable. I mean, you don't need a stretchability in this. I guess like it's kind of a very loose kind of a look. So the material is pretty good. It's thick. It's not seen through at all. In terms of affordability, I would give a 9 out of 10. In terms of material quality, it's good enough. In terms of style also, it's very nice because of the side cut and everything. I would give it a 9 out of 10 still. One marks I really want to cut out because I'm disappointed with the height of this jeans. If it would have been like a longer length than this one, then it would look more flattering on me. But if you are like if your height is like 5'2", 5'1", or 5'3", then it will look very good on you. You can definitely purchase this one. So finally, the last piece is from Myntra, and this piece is actually a wide leg pant, like a straight wide leg pant, and this is in this blue color, like a medium blue color, and it has this kind of effect, like this kind of effect over here. And this comes with very nice pockets over here, and then back pockets are also here. This jeans is comfortable to the power infinity. It's very comfortable. It's completely high waist, and it sits on the body very nicely, and it actually hides a lot of the tummy. So if you want to buy for that purpose, then this one is the one for you. The original price for this jeans is actually 2000 rupees, but I got it for 1200 rupees. So in terms of affordability, I will give like 9 out of 10 because Myntra itself has a lot of other brands which are giving at a cheaper rate, but just because of the shade of the color and everything, I got this one. But I completely do not regret because it's absolutely comfortable. The material I would give 10 out of 10. In terms of the style and trend, again a 10 out of 10. Comparing everything, I will say that the best buy that I found out was from Urbanic, that gray jeans. And in terms of affordability, I will say the off-duty jeans did a very good job. And in terms of style, mostly all of the styles were actually good only, like they were good at their own place. So now you know what you want to buy, what goes good for you. And I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you guys found it useful and helpful. If you want to see more such videos where I would compare different tops or different pieces from different brands, maybe Amazon, Myntra, Flipkart, whatever, you can comment down below in the comment section and I will make that for you as well. Yeah, guys, that's it, and until next time, take care of yourself, take care of your family. Tata, bye bye, and do not forget to check me out on my Instagram account, as I have been creating a lot of videos, a lot of reels, a lot of pictures over there as well. So do check me out over there. I have created a really aesthetic feed. You will like it definitely.